Hi guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing video of the package that I have received. So I ordered two items from BandidosPitstop, and it was for my KTM Duke 250 2019 model. So after doing a lot of research online, I was not able to find the exact quality of product that I would want to have on my bike basically. So I was not convinced, or I was not happy with the normal KTM handguard protectors that you get. So I just wanted to try something out. So today in the morning I just received the package. So let's check how the quality is. So I didn't want to unbox it first and do it later, so that there wouldn't be a feel. So I thought, okay, let me do it once and for all. Check. As far as the packaging, I see that these are clipped and then taped on. That's very good to secure the package. And I thought that they would be sending a very huge package, but I'm very happy that they send a very smaller one, because it's very convenient for the other people as well. I mean, the delivery teams to even carry it out from their end basically. So yeah, so I don't have a proper table. I'm just unboxing this on my bed. So here we go. Sorry about that. It's taking. I have to hold the camera on one hand and then with the other. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so here we are. So this is the visor that I bought for KTM Duke 250. I hope there should be yeah, the clip-ons for this one. This is what I was actually expecting, because the normal ones on 250 there are no visors to clip on, as a standard version. But yeah, but first let me check the lever guard, because this is the one that I was been waiting for. Yeah, also the visor though, but still this is the main one. Ooh. I hope the quality is great. Let me see my screen. It's just gone off. All right. Yeah. Quality looks very amazing. It doesn't look like something cheap, I would say. Let's have a detailed look. Oh, I'm so sorry. Maybe I'll add next video when I fix this, or a video where I would be getting this fixed. So I've got this thing as well. Okay, I guess this would go here, this would go from the side. I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with the quality of the product, not kidding, because I have even seen few on Amazon. They cost you like $850 or something like that, but I was really skeptical about those things, but this one is kind of good. Yeah, worth the price. Let's put this aside. So here we have the visor, and I ordered a black one. Woohoo! Yep. So this is the visor that you get, and I kind of ordered a matte black. Then yeah, so these are the clamps that that will be mounted onto my bike. I'll show you. Okay, so the things go something like, okay, if you just fix it behind that, right? So two of the parts will just fix that and goes to the vehicle, and you get all the nuts and bolts for this one as well. And this is already there though. So yeah, everything, I'm satisfied with the quality of the product and everything. I'm so sorry about the sound. I shouldn't have it that so hard. Yeah, so see you in next video where I have this fixed and show you the complete picture of the bike. So I'll leave you down the link to the Instagram, and also the link to the Instagram of the guy who is helping me edit this video. So shout out to Zohab for that, and see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.